Crystal Fambrini here, and welcome to the West Coast premiere of the documentary Cybercrime here in Los Angeles.
This project is amazing because there's so many that don't understand that this is a real deal. It's almost like car insurance. Everyone feels like no accident's ever going to happen to them.
Every business owner out there needs to understand that their business is a target, their data is a target.
Cybercrime is so crazy where they're changing routing numbers and bank account numbers to places, and they're getting so smart. And my motto is, as they're getting smarter, we have to get smarter too.
Cybercrime is a scourge that's affecting everybody in the country right now. The headline is snazzy. It says it's not a matter of if, it's when, but it's true. It's accurate.
You know, I think it's very important to get the message out there about cybercrime and cybersecurity.
Because it's much better if we can get people to keep the money in their own pockets instead of it ending up in cyber criminals' pockets.
As I was leaving these filming sessions, what I experienced, that's what I was hoping that the audience would experience.
With healthcare, normally it's a good 6 months before they realize that it's been breached, and then it's another 2 to 6 years to try and correct the problems. So it's actually much more valuable than even the financial information that's out there.
So what we're doing with this movie is we're talking about the dangers of cybercrime so that we can educate the end users so that they can buckle up every day before they use that computer.
Mindfulness, awareness, getting people to the point where they are practicing responsibility with this privilege that we know of technology.
It'd be great if people can watch this movie and learn that and understand that they really need to protect themselves. They really need to be savvy about what they do with their computers.
We've heard from some leading cybersecurity experts about some tips, some great takeaways on how we can protect ourselves. And make sure to check out this film so you can learn more.